Okay, hi guys, this is an unboxing. I've never done one of these videos before, but I guess we're going to do it. I placed an order to Long Island Watch, and the box came in today. I just got home from work, so we're going to see what's inside. I'm actually really excited about this watch. So, wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Bulova Precisionist of this watch. Big, chunky quartz. Just love it. I love the bracelet. I love everything about this. I love that really smooth quartz movement of the seconds hand. Anyhow, I just noticed that my watch just stopped working, so I probably need a battery. Good time to get this. So, today we have a Messerschmitt. It says made in Germany, and we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so I took the, I guess, plastic packaging off. I'm going to try to just, it's a little hard to do this one-handed. You got my little warranty card manual and some foam. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. Now, I opted for kind of an A-dial pilot watch, but I didn't go for the clean face. As you can see, I went for the Messerschmitt me-209 airplane featured here, and I just thought it was really striking, the details, the red seconds hand along with the little pip of red there. And so let's see what she looks like. Alright, that's the band, little Messerschmitt logo. Well, crown's not signed, but that's okay. This is not a high-end watch by any means. Kind of a brushed finish. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, this is a 42 millimeter, and I love how the strap feels. It's pretty thick, pretty substantial. It's got nice stitching on it. Very nice. Let's see what I got here. Well, no signed buckle either, but I mean, like I said, this is not a high-end watch. This is very much a poor man's pilot watch. But it feels nice in my hand. I like the feel of it. And she wears quite nice. Nice and light. I mean anything feels light compared to the Bulova Precisionist, but yeah, it's, wow. Yeah, it's a lot lighter and than I thought. Very nice. Alright guys, until next time.